Your gaming rig, your workstation, your overclocked powerhouse, it all depends on keeping your CPU cool. Today, we're breaking down the best 360mm AIO liquid coolers of 2025, built for next-gen processors, high-performance gaming, and maximum efficiency. Let's dive into the ultimate cooling systems that keep your rig running at peak performance. For those who want silent efficiency with next-gen cooling technology, the Corsair IQ Link Titan 360 RX is a game-changer. Featuring flow-drive cooling engine, this AIO maximizes low-noise performance without sacrificing heat dissipation. The IQE Link System Hub allows intelligent software control, meaning real-time adjustments for optimized cooling based on workload. If you want an ultra-quiet AIO cooler with precision control, the Titan 360 RX is the perfect choice for high-performance builders. Need top-tier cooling with smart software integration? Click the description link for details. First up, the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360 ARGB, a powerhouse cooler designed for extreme CPU loads. What makes it stand out? A massive 38mm radiator, combined with 3 high-performance 120mm fans delivering unmatched heat dissipation. It also packs a VRM fan, ensuring stable power delivery to your motherboard while keeping temps under control. A rare addition in the cooling market. With support for Intel LGA 1851/1700 and AMD AM5/AM4, this cooler dominates the competition for both overclockers and workstation users demanding reliability. Looking for next-level cooling with VRM stabilization? Check the description for full specs. For budget-conscious users who still want top-tier cooling, the Cooler Master Liquid 360L Core delivers an impressive mix of efficiency and affordability. Equipped with cryo-fused thermal compound, it ensures optimal heat transfer, while the GenS cold plate pump maximizes cooling efficiency across Intel and AMD platforms. If you're looking for reliable cooling without breaking the bank, the Master Liquid 360L Core is a fantastic choice. Need budget-friendly cooling with ARGB customization? Check the description for full specs. Now, if you want RGB aesthetics and a high-performance pump, the NZXT Kraken Elite 360 RGB brings next-gen cooling with a stunning display. This cooler features a customizable 2.72-inch IPS LCD, letting you show CPU temps, custom images, and animated GIFs directly on the cooler. It pairs this visual flair with serious cooling performance, thanks to its F360 RGB core fans and NZXT turbine pump. For builders who want a mix of ultra-cool aesthetics and high-powered efficiency, the Kraken Elite 360 RGB remains one of the most visually appealing AIO coolers this year. Want a high-performance AIO cooler with a customizable LCD? Check the description for specs. Finally, if silent operation is a priority, be quiet. Light Loop 360mm offers whisper quiet cooling with stunning ARGB lighting. Known for its low noise engineering, this cooler keeps your system cool without the distracting fan hum, ensuring optimal performance for professionals and gamers alike. For users who need a high-end cooling system that blends silent operation with customizable RGB, the Light Loop 360mm is a top choice. Want ultra-quiet cooling with stylish RGB customization? Click the description for specs. AIO coolers in 2025 deliver next-gen cooling, ultra-silent performance, and stunning RGB integration. Whether you need VRM support, smart software adjustments, customizable LCD displays, or budget-friendly efficiency, these top picks keep your CPU running at peak performance. Which AIO cooler upgrades your build? Drop a comment below, like and subscribe, and check the description for full details.